Cloacina packaged wastewater treatment plants are designed to be easily installed. Our project managers work with contractors to ensure successful installation. Cloacina provides every installation contractor with the opportunity to come to the factory to see the plant they're going to install during wet testing, an installation checklist specific to every project, detailed tie-in lists for utility locations, match marked labels on all parts that are removed for shipping. This ensures that all parts are reassembled correctly regardless of the contractor's experience with wastewater treatment systems. Cloacina wastewater treatment plants ship and arrive at the site as complete systems, not as individual pieces of equipment that need to be integrated. As a result, Cloacina systems can be installed up to 3 times faster than other treatment systems. Steps to install a Cloacina packaged wastewater treatment system include: the plant is shipped to the installation site, it is offloaded with a crane or large forklift, any parts that were removed for shipping are reassembled using match-marked labels, the plumbing and electrical connections are made.
I think FRM's been installing package plants for about 18 years. We've been installing Cloacina plants specifically for over a decade. Installation-wise, Cloacina plants are far superior than the other manufactured plants we've installed. They're designed, fabricated, and delivered with installation in mind and the client's needs in mind as well. We would absolutely recommend Cloacina for installation purposes. They're very intuitive and the installation process is seamless, especially considering the support provided by the manufacturer in the field.
If you're interested in learning more about our revolutionary treatment plants or how to install them, please visit cloacina.com.